Hey, alright, what's up you guys? So, we're in the middle of Charlotte, and it is about 1:30 a.m. and we're starting the video. So, we're just gonna go find a parking garage to sleep at, because I don't want to go home. This might be a super short video, but I'll try to document as much as possible, so stay tuned. Whoa, that guy almost ran a red. Oh, there's a parking garage right there. Huh. This looks like we can park here, but no ticket is coming out. No overnight parking. Alright, we're getting out of here. Damn it. Okay. Strike one. Dude, every parking garage is gonna show no overnight parking. So, let's see what's up with this place. They're open. Nightly parking. Oh, perfect. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna get a ticket. Screw this. The thing's already open, but I'm not risking that. Kind of want to see if there's a... Oh, there is. We're parking on the roof, you guys. Look at this. We found home. $22 home. I'm down for it. Oh, there's a car. That's cool. Well, I'm gonna park underneath this light. Hopefully this car leaves. Yeah, the car has its lights on. Just kind of weird, but whatever. As long as they don't approach me, I won't approach them. We're buddies. All right, it's home. It's home for tonight. Okay, let's get set up. Okay guys, real quick, yeah, I know the lighting in here sucks. I was not prepared to film tonight, but yeah, I have blacked out Reflectix on the side. I got one Reflectix guarding the front, and then I'm gonna keep the back open just cause, well, I wasn't prepared for the Reflectix on that, and I think we'll be fine. There's another car at the... You guys can see all the way over there, right there. So I'm gonna turn these lights off before someone sees me. I don't think anyone will see me. I meant paid overnight parking, so as long as I pay, I don't think I'm breaking any rules. But if not, they won't know because they won't see this video. Or maybe they will. But that's it. See you in the morning. Peace. Morning. It's morning, all right. Damn. Oh, so that was like not really a good sleep. This thing sort of slunched down, and my back was kind of hitting with the center console. Surprisingly, it got cold. Pulled out the summer sleeping bag. No, this could have been better. Wasn't that comfortable. Let me put this sleeping bag away and I can show you what's up outside. So that car I said I thought there was no one in is gone. So there was definitely people in there. I win. I win. You know what's also weird? There's a WeWork office right here. If you know, you know. So yeah, that's the tape I'm talking about. 6 pieces of tape. Like the real hick I am. But you can kind of tell, you know, fabric glued on to Reflectix. so that the outside is black and the inside is whatever. Let's get outside and can get a breath of fresh air. Jeep, baby. Oh. Probably a bunch of apartments, but not too conspicuous. Kind of weird. I'm glad I didn't get cops called on me, but as you can tell, it's all blacked out. You can totally tell there's someone in there, but whatever. Time to go. Take this Reflectix off. This is just jammed in there. It's super hick. This is jammed up in here. I taped this because I don't know. Why not? This tape is so strong. There we go. Take that off. And we're normal again. Yeah, it's awkward. That's all apartments, huh? Probably saw me in here. Came with the other car. Like I said, it's gone. She gone. Okay. I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, so this is where I'm gonna really get into trouble. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. See you next time. And like always, keep on jeeping. Oh, hell yeah. Free night. Let's go, baby. I'm out of here. Screw that. Super sick. Free night. Let's frickin' go. That made it so worth it. So worth it.